My secret weapon for lazy mornings, rice noodles were banned. Want an extra 10 minutes of sleep? You need this meal prep. Today I'm making 4 universal quick condiments. The hardest part of making this is peeling the garlic. Someone said cut the root and press it, but my garlic looks weird. If I cut too deep, it's a waste. Let's try smashing it with a knife this time. Wow, it works, much easier now. But these tiny ones are tricky. My fingers hurt a bit. Let's try the microwave. Look, I'll open. You can just squeeze them out, but they're too soft. Actually, you can hear them pop at 5 seconds. Yes, 20 seconds is much better. Not too soft and easy to peel. Chop them up, right size is perfect. Don't make it too fine. Wash with water, this stops them from sticking when frying. Add oil, just enough to cover the garlic. Medium-low heat, fry slowly. I'm using cast iron wok, so it sticks a bit. Need to keep stirring. If you have a non-stick pan, it's easier. Just stir occasionally. Turn off the heat when it looks pale yellow. The oil is still hot. It will turn golden brown by itself. Take the garlic out now, or it will burn and taste bitter. Make a hole in the middle to help it cool down. After it cools so crispy, put it in a jar after the oil cools down. Keep it in the fridge for a month. Next time you make noodle soup, just add half a spoon of this. Boom! Instant flavor boost. I'm using Shanxi chili powder. It's super fragrant but not too spicy, so don't be afraid to add more. And my secret, nuts. I like hiding walnuts and roasted peanuts. Cheap and easy to find. Look at this mix. You already know it's going to be delicious. Mix everything well before heating the oil. When it smokes, soak 1 piece of peanut in. See the small bubbles? Turn off the heat. Pour the oil in several times and keep stirring. Look at that beautiful red color. Perfect for noodles or inside a burger bun. A true lifesaver. We're using king oyster mushrooms and shiitake mushrooms to make a budget-friendly luxury oil. King oyster mushrooms are quite firm, so stirring them by hand is way easier. For shiitake, slice them first, then shred them together. Fry Sichuan peppercorns and ginger until fragrant. Once the ginger turns golden, scrub everything out. We don't need them anymore. Put in the king oyster mushrooms first, then the shiitake. Look, the oil is completely going, but don't panic, don't add more oil. In 10 minutes, they will come back. Turn off the heat when the mushrooms turn golden brown. Perfect for noodles, rice, or even as a cold dipping sauce. Absolutely brilliant! Wash the scallions and dry them well. Cut the white parts into 4 pieces, otherwise they will fry too slowly. Fry the white parts first. Once they turn slightly yellow, toss in the green leaves. It took me 8 minutes. Turn off the heat when they look dry like this. Let it sit for 2 minutes to cool down the oil temperature. Mix it well. Look at these layers. It's incredibly fragrant and perfect for noodles. You can easily make authentic Asian flavors right at home. So easy, right? Try it tomorrow.